So what's your favorite? Yeah. What's your favorite Pakistani food?
I like surprisingly halwa is
Halwa.
really popular in Russia.
अस्सलाम एवरीवन, क्या हाल है सब लोगों का। आज है मेरे साथ अगेन बहुत ही प्यारी ब्यूटीफुल टीना फ्रॉम रशिया। तो पहले टीना, कैन यू लाइक इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ लिटिल बिट इन इंग्लिश
Hi guys.
or in Urdu if you can speak.
Unfortunately,
But I taught something to you. You remember like I love you in Hindi? Do you remember?
if you give me a second.
ओके तो आज हमने ना टीना को एक मैंने और मेरी फ्रेंड है इंडिया की, हम लोगों ने इसे बताया कि आई लव यू हिंदी में कैसे कहते हैं या उर्दू में कैसे कहते हैं। इट वॉज वेरी लॉन्ग, तो भी देखते हैं। ओके
मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ.
नाउ यू कैन यू रिपीट इट विदाउट सेइंग इट?
Wait, like if I do this.
ओके लेट्स सी।
Wait.
She forgot again. दोबारा भूल गई है।
मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार
प्यार करती
करती हूँ.
हूँ। So Tina, like, can you introduce yourself a little bit?
So my name is Tina. I came here as a student, but right now I'm working as a model and YouTuber.
And by the way, so she ये बता रही है कि अभी ये modeling करती है, and really honestly she is very good model, बहुत very beautiful model, and इसका जो Instagram का link है वो मैं वीडियो की description में भी दे दूँगा। So Tina, first of all, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan?
Pakistan. I think food.
Food?
पीछे देखो पीछे.
ओके तो बाद में बात करते हैं टीना से। So guys, we are back और again दोबारा जो है मेरे साथ हैं बहुत ही प्यारी मॉडल। So आपका जो है so Tina, so you are saying you love Pakistani food, right? And how come, like, have you tried Pakistani food in Korea or in Russia? Or?
I mean, we do have like probably a few places in Russia. I'm not sure if you have some in Korea.
Yeah, in Korea actually there are a lot of
In Itaewon,
Pakistani.
probably.
Yeah, in Itaewon.
Oh, I haven't tried it yet, but like maybe if you like take
Okay.
me or like show me something.
Sure guys, तो अगर आप
recommend me.
okay, I'll take you there. So guys, like, if you want me to take, you know, Tina to a Pakistani restaurant, please comment below. So what's your favorite? Yeah. What's your favorite Pakistani food?
Like surprisingly, halwa
Halwa?
really popular in Russia.
Like the Pakistani or Indian halwa is popular.
Like the
I know what you
dessert,
mean. The
right?
dessert.
it's super popular. Like,
Oh my god.
everyone
It's, you know, it's
loves
very
it.
sweet. It's very sweet.
It's very sweet.
Wow, that's, you know, I have interviewed so many, for the 2 years I have interviewed so many foreigners, asking them about Pakistan and everything. That's the first time someone said halwa. तो पहली दफा हुआ है कि किसी ने हलवा कहा है, really. Otherwise people would say like curry, kebab, or like biryani.
Oh,
You know biryani?
the rice.
The rice thing. Okay, halwa. Oh,
It's big sweet tooth. So
okay.
maybe that's why.
That's why.
I don't know.
क्या बात है जी। एक्टिंग की बादशाह कसम से बहुत अच्छी वीडियो बनाई है। सही जिसे को ना बहुत गुड हो गया जी।
And she is very sweet person actually, maybe, yeah, because of eating too much halwa. And have you met many Pakistani people in Korea or in Russia, or do you have any Pakistani friends?
I don't think we have as many Pakistani people in Moscow. Well, I haven't personally. Probably you're my first.
Really?
First one. Yeah.
Oh yeah, how lucky you are.
Oh, indeed I am.
So पहला पाकिस्तानी हूँ जो मिली, and you are so lucky. You met such a nice and handsome Pakistani guy.
Of course, yes.
Okay, would you like to go to Pakistan someday?
If you can give me like a list of
List
places,
of places.
to go,
Okay.
I would be like, yeah.
Okay, so guys,
But if I go like blindly, I would be
no,
like,
you know, you are really pretty, so people will definitely, like, you know,
help me out.
they will help you a lot, definitely, and you will be really popular. But I really hope, you know, one day you will go to Pakistan, and trust me, people will love you so much. So you are still studying or no more studying?
I've taken like a break because online classes is a scam.
The scam.
Don't do that. You have to pay
So much money,
to
exactly.
university,
Exactly,
and you have
exactly.
to get like this much information.
Pakistan में भी यही हाल है, right? Like in Pakistan is same, like, you know, online, and it's so much money you are paying for nothing.
Exactly. Like I
ठीक है।
get no knowledge from this. Zero.
तो एनीवेज गाइस यू नो इसके जो है ना टीना के इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक भी मेरी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में होगा, लाजमी जाएं और इसके इंस्टाग्राम को चेक करें एंड शो हर लव एंड सपोर्ट. थैंक यू सो मच टीना. एट द एंड कैन यू जस्ट से लाइक बन के बिस्तर बोरिया
Banke bister borio.
असी ते चले कोरिया.
One more time.
बन के बिस्तर बोरिया
Banke bister borio.
असी ते चले कोरिया.
Aste.
चले चले कोरिया. Okay. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. Take care. Lots of love from Tina from Russia and from Pakistan also. Take care.
Doesn't remember my name.
Tina.
No, you do.
Bye bye.
Bye.
बन के बिस्तर बोरिया असी ते चले कोरिया.
Banke bister borio. Asite.
असी ते चले कोरिया. बन के बिस्तर बोरिया असी ते चले कोरिया. Okay, again.
Banke bister borio. Asite chali korea.
Bye bye.